let's look at changing the color of our part. We come over here to View, Art Painter, and here's where we change the color to whatever we want. In this case, let's go with cyan. Now right now it's on face, but you can change this to any feature or body. So let's just start with feature. So this block was one feature. So if we click on that, it will change the block feature. Now if we come back up and change the color to say orange, and it's still on feature, we click on this inside, that changes that feature that we placed. That's the cutout. So there's two features here, and we just changed those. Now if we come back down here and just say, well, I'd like to change just a face. So we'll go to change a face, and we'll change it to red. So this is how we just change faces. Individual faces. Yellow, we might want to change this to yellow. Just the two ends to yellow. So there's lots of things you can play around with, and that's what I would suggest. Just come in here, pick some colors, change face to feature to body to any, and just figure out what the differences are there. And one that I do really like that I should show you though is the ones that are clear. Let's look at yellow clear, and we'll do a feature for yellow clear and change this feature to yellow clear. Let's change the other one to yellow clear also, and see how you're looking into that. And just for fun, we'll go down and make one more change here to cyan, and change the feature to cyan. So I may want to come over here to View Styles. Let's look at that. View Styles. We'll go to Background. I'll change the gradient. And let's see, color 1. Let's do something light, and color 2, maybe sky blue, and hit OK. And if the yellow is too loud, we could come back to that. Let's just do that again. That is a bit harsh looking. So under background, change the yellow to something a lot lighter, like light grey possibly. Lots of options in here. Vertical, for example. Let's just look at horizontal and see how it moves at horizontal. And you can see the little preview right here. Right, it was on vertical. If we go to horizontal, let's just hit OK so you can see that. It comes up from the right hand side. A lot of different options there with View Override. Another thing that's worth considering, especially for improving your images if it's something you want to print, you come down here and the default was light, and so just go to dark. Lots of options here. Let's just walk through these. Indoor. So it adds this really fancy backgrounds, which you can do manually or they can just do automatically. There's just light, medium, outdoor, and again you can change these images. We'll look at that later actually. Let's look at performance. So it's just so that'll go faster, and then studio is more the print quality one. So there's some ideas there with view quality, view overrides.